Hey, wait a minute. This isn't one of those, like, now that you've graduated, get out of my house's speech, is it?
No, no, no. I'm saving that one for next week.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I know you got your heart set on getting into the video business.
No, not the video business, Uncle. The movie making business. I want to be in the movie making business, right? Telling stories and entertaining people with beautifully crafted images.
Okay, I got you. Well, how does one go about getting involved in the movie making business?
I have no idea. But what I do know is that I have this feeling that it's what I'm supposed to do.
That, my boy, is called a calling. And I know exactly what you should do. And I think it's going to give you some clarity.
What's that?
I think you should pray about it.
Come on, Uncle. Can we have this conversation next month too? I mean, you know I don't feel the same about my faith as you do. I mean, not since we lost Dad. I don't know how I'm supposed to make sense of it. How is having faith supposed to make that any better?